Hello students, very good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic alkane, that is the topic of hydrocarbon chapter. Now alkane means saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbon means these hydrocarbons bind together, they are carbon bind together with the help of the single covalent bond, and that's why these are called a saturated hydrocarbon. Alkane are saturated hydrocarbons containing only carbon-carbon single bond in their molecule. It means if there are the carbon here, like one carbon and another carbon, so there will be the single bond, right? Yeah, if there is one more carbon, so that will be also single bond. So that type of the bonding in between carbon-carbon, that is called a single bond. And such kind of, if they will have also hydrogen will also there, so then that will call a alkane. That will call a alkane. Alkanes are two types mainly. One is the open chain, acyclic alkane. These are simple alkanes without any closed chain. Without any closed chain means their first carbon and last carbon will not bind together. So that is called a acyclic open chain. We can say also straight chain form. We can solve chain form, right? Now general formula for the open chain cyclic or cyclic alkane, CnH2n plus 2. So it means if n is equal to 1, so then they are put that value in their general formula, C1H2 into 1 plus 2. So that will be the CH4, right? If n is equal to 3, so same value, that n is equal to n value put in that formula, so then will be CH3, C3H2 into 3 plus 2, it will be C3H8. Now open chain, cyclic also in the two types. One is the straight chain form and second is the side chain form, branched form. So straight chain means if we write here like that, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. So that will called a straight chain form, chain form, and that is called generally if number depend on the number of carbon, then plus there how many hydrogen are there, like suppose C3H8. So that will form a CH3, CH2, CH3, right? So that will be generally their propane. So that is that like that a will be a straight chain form. Like here they have a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon are there. So their name is hexane. So and their structure are in the straight chain form. They have not any side chain. So that's why that is called a straight chain form, right? And second type is the branch chain form. Branch chain like that, like here CH3, CH side chain CH3, CH2, CH side chain CH2, CH3, and CH2, CH3. So that is in the branch chain form, right? So that is the second type of the open chain, right? Now second type of the alkane, cycloalkanes and cyclic alkane. These contain closed chain ring in their molecules. They will form cyclic form, ring form, and that is not a open form. Their general formula is CnH2n, and CnH2n it will their and here should be value of n should be minimum 3. That will not make if their value will be the less than 3, so that will not make a cyclic form. It means the cycloalkanes hydrocarbon product will be, first carbon product will be 3 carbon, it is cyclopropane, right? If n equal to 3, so they are putting the value C3H6, so CH2, 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 right? If n equal to 4, so then also C4, it means C4H8, so that name is cyclobutane, right? And also these also two types. One is the simple cyclic, one is the branch cyclic, right? Branch cyclic, that here also they have also side chain, they have also side chain, these are the branch chain, and these are the simple child form, simple ring form, right? Then now here nomenclature of alkane, first will be the open chain cyclic alkane. What root plus plus n? What root means like a meth, eth, but, prop, and pent, hexane, or so on. It means deck like that. And n will be their suffix. N will suffix. If meth, so methane, eth, ethane, but, butane, hex, hexane, oct, octane, nonane, and decane. Right? So that will be the nomenclature of like. Some are the branch chain form like that. CH3, CH3. They have a two side chain alkyl group. So their IPC name will be the, because second number have two alkyl groups. So 2 dimethyl propane. Now here also parental chain will be long chain, long carbon chain. That is called parental chain. In a 6 carbon chain, that is parental chain. And they have a two side chain, one in the second position, one in the fourth position. So their IPC name will be the 4-ethyl. 4-ethyl, ethyl will first, because alphabetically ethyl will first and then methyl will second one, right? So their IPC name will be 4-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Now one more there, hydrocarbon compound alkane in a open chain, but branch form CH3, C have a two side chain, then CH5, and then like that also they have a 5 carbon compound. It is 5 carbon, that will parental chain, and two side chain, one is alkyl, in a methyl, one the ethyl. So their IPC name will be the second number have a 2 methyl group, and the third number have a 1 ethyl group. So ethyl name will be first, when we write the IPC name. So 3-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl, 3-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl pentane, that will be IPC name. Now your cycloalkane is here, that is cyclic form, but they have also side chain in an alkyl group. So that name is the alkyl cycloalkane. So here are 5 carbon, so their name is ethyl cyclopentane. They have also 2 methyl group, one first position and third position. So their IPC name is the 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane, because they have a cyclic form in a 6 carbon compound. Here also 4 carbon compounds cyclic form, then also ethyl and alkyl group also sub alkyl group. So their IPC name in bracket 1-methyl 1-methyl propyl cyclobutane. So in this video we have studied about the alkane and their types, two types, and their nomenclature. I hope you have understand about the alkane topic. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and also share, subscribe, like and comment also. Thank you for watching again.